Yeah, Ice-T. Man, niggas out here be acting like bitches, then turn around, turn like some snitches. Tell them to the cops wanna get a nigga locked up. You be like, what the fuck? Niggas be on they rags, acting like bitches, straight up fags, wearing girl clothes, skinny fucking jeans. And I'm on this shit, I'm so mean. I don't give a fuck if I offend. I'm just drinking my fucking hen. Make my head spin when I get on the track. Fucked up, smoking on that good shit, yeah. I blew out that girl's fucking back, and I'm just fucking spitting off this shit. It's not fucking written, going still flowing. Niggas not knowing, my ass is fucking out, so I'm fucking showing black ass, that's what it is. I'm a fucking nigga, ain't no bitch nigga. Pull that trigger on these faggot motherfuckers that be acting like little girls. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Niggas had they curls back in the day on a Jerry curl, and they was so cool. Bitchin'. Yo, let me catch that shit again. Here I go again. This is that new shit. Yeah. What? Bitch. Like bitch. Bitch. Yeah. Yeah, my name is RJ, coming from the city LA. Word on my niggas don't play. Niggas better get their ass caught up. Purple ass trading niggas get shot up. My words be all fucked up sometimes, but I'm still dropping heavy motherfucking rhymes on y'all niggas that don't even know I'm moving this shit. So tell me where to go, I can go left or right. Rapping on the shit, coming off tight. Now niggas don't wanna fight, they just wanna shoot. But I'm just trying to get my motherfucking loot. I don't fucking toot, don't boot. My name ain't no YG. Niggas wanna run up, go ahead and try me and get that mic and step up in battle. Let the guns go off, shit be like rattle. Now, down, aim to your head. One shot to the fucking dome and you're dead. Bitch nigga, I don't got time for your fucking bitch shit every fucking time. Crying like a little fucking hoe. Sitting there with the fucking flow. Yeah. Yeah. Bitch ass niggas. I hate them, huh? Cause this bitches ain't a female. It's some males like motherfucking acting like bitches like females. Burn on, motherfucker, you'll never fucking